Hi guys, welcome back to the new video of the code target. Today in this video, you will see how to add Animate text on your website. As you can see on my computer screen, I have the text. All the text have different background effect. It is very easy to add this kind of background effect on your text. Without wasting any time, let's quickly start this video. So this is my HTML file and this is CSS file. This is the basic template, HTML template. This is the title tag. The title is animated text. Here inside the body, let's create h1 text. Do some text. Subscribe. Subscribe. Code. Target. YouTube channel. Save. So here's the text. Let's link our CSS file with the HTML file. So after the title tag, let's create link. So whatever CSS I write in this file, it's apply on this HTML template. So here I write the basic CSS on the body tag. The font family is sensory. Let's minimize this. Okay, so let's create a tag, br tag. The br tag, what's to do, it's basically shift the text in the next line. So here I create one more br tag. Okay, so as you can see, subscribe in one line, code target in another line, and the YouTube channel in another line. Okay, so let's create a span tag. Close the span tag. Let's write some CSS. The h1 tag, font size. Font size is 130 pixel. Big text align center margin top 60 pixel. Font weight 500. No, font weight 800. Color is transparent. So as you can see on the screen, you cannot see any text, but the text is here. Okay, so what we do, because you cannot see because we set the color is transparent. So I add the background image URL. So I add the background image from the giphy.com. Okay. From here you can choose any file for your background text. So I choose this one and this one. First use this one. Copy link. Copy. Paste inside the URL. Save. Chat. Now add one more line. Fabricate background clip. Text. Save. Okay, so I use another GIF file for code target text animated background. So I use this one. Same process, copy link, close these tabs, H1, span, as our code target is inside the span. So same background, background image, URL, paste, and WebKit, background clip, text. Now the code target text is different animated, and the subscribe and the text is different animated. So you can use any GIF file or any animation for your text on your website. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and please like and share this video.